Hello, thank you for being here. I'm Erwan, and I work for SMOD, the editor of the SMOD softwares. So SMOD is a real-time 2D and 3D compositing engine, layer-based and also interactive. And it operates in a very specific field of the visual creation, which is this one. Concert, TV show, musical, any kind of live event that requires to have videos as a part of the scenography. So how the creation work, it's pretty simple. Let's imagine that I want to create a visual of a planet. So here you have the interface of SMOD, and I'm gonna create a sphere, and I will texturize this sphere with a substance material. And if ever your substance material has exposed properties, you still can customize them directly inside the software. Then you have the animation process, of course. So if I want my planet to spin, instead of using traditional timelines, I can simply select the parameters I want in order to create a loops. So with this, I have my planet that turns, but in real time. You can continue the compositing. So in this case, I have added a light, an environmental one, with a cameras. And I can go on the 2D view in order to add different type of layers. So here I'm going to create a title with a very simple text layer, and I can customize the font, the content of the text, the size of it, but in real time. And the 2D layers and 3D layers merge correctly. Then you can switch on the simulation part. So I'm happy with my composition. I save it in order to import it inside a simulation project. So here I have my artist dancing in the middle, and I simply import my composition. So I have an idea of what it's gonna look once I will be on stage. And if ever I'm on stage, I still have access to the different layers that compose my compositions. So if we imagine that the artistic direction wants me to add a background like a sky night, I still can do it in live. And I apply also color correction in order to enhance my visual. I have also said that SMOD is made for interactivity. So in a completely different context, here you have a particle emission in real time in SMOD with a parameter that emits thousands of particles each time I press it. So I can right-click on it in order to connect it to a MIDI controller. And now the connection is done, and each time I will press the MIDI pad, it will emit thousands of particles. So this is a very simple example, but it can go much further. So in the professional world, you're a bit like him. You have the screens in front of you, and you create your compositions, you enhance it, you customize it according to what the artist wants, what the artistic direction wants. But most important, you also work with the light team, the sound team, or any other people involved in the project of the stage. Here are some references of the past 2 years that have been touring with SMOD, not only for the creation, but also for the broadcasting of the content directly on the screens during the live. And I will conclude by mentioning that there is a free version of SMOD called SMOD Community, allowing you to create your own show up to HD for non-commercial usage only, and a professional one called SMOD Compose at €300 per year. Do not hesitate to visit our website, and also do not hesitate to visit us at our stand during the day. Thank you, and have a nice Motion Plus design.